Hey guys, welcome back to Rins. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm back at it again with another video. I hope you guys are happy and your mental health is in a great place. I hope everything overall is great. If you're new to my channel, you're very much welcome. Please stay, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and spending some time with me. Today, I have a video about one of my obsessions, and I have like a mini review. I have a really detailed video about Hermosa Flow Cosmetics, some of the things that I got. I haven't bought from them in a while, so I'm very excited. I was gonna do an unboxing, but I was very impatient, so I had to open my things way before I shot the video. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and if you are unfamiliar with Hermosa Flow, I'm gonna be putting some of the details in the video so that it's easy for you guys to shop. I'll do a screen recording showing you guys all the details, all the information you need to know for you to like do the online shopping. So you go onto Google and you search hermosaflow.africa, and it's gonna take you to their website, and this is what the website looked like during this time. I think it changes over time, but they do put a lot of effort into the aesthetic part of it. So as you scroll down, you see some of the details, and you can just scroll through the whole entire website and you choose the section that you want to shop at. So you will choose shop now, and you will find any products that you want to shop. This is one of the products that I got, so you'd add that to your cart. You can also use Payflex if you'll be using credit. So after you add the items to your order, you go to checkout, and it's going to take you to a different portal, and for each order over 700 rands you get free shipping. It's standard free shipping. So when you continue to payment, there are Hermosa Flow gang members that all have their discount codes, and I'm just gonna show you guys how they work. The one that I'm typing in right now is still valid if I'm not mistaken, so you can definitely take this one. It's one of the Hermosa Flow gang members. I don't know why I was struggling to type this out so much, but yeah. So you can definitely use this discount code, but there are a lot of people that have different discount codes, and it automatically changes your total and takes off 10%. So yeah, there's a physical store. They just launched it, I think October, November, I don't remember quite well. This is from one collection. This is, get the packaging, I hope you guys can see that. These are the lipsticks, and they basically have the same packaging. How cute is that? How cute is that? Just focusing. Yep. So these are the two lipsticks that I got from this collection because I just want to use them as a combo. This, and when you open it, this is so huge, this is so big, and this one is going to be my favorite. Like, I can already tell this one is going to be my favorite palette out of all of them. So these are the colors. How cute you guys. So they have a bunch of colors, and I love the message that is on here. Like right beneath the mirror, it says, "There's only one you in this world. Celebrate that by gorgeous Mali." Okay. And the other thing that I love about Hermosa Flow palettes is that the shades always have like cute names. These are the names. The names like Awakening, Wisdom, Growth. So yeah, this is the first palette. This is my favorite palette. I can already tell because I love the formula. I know how the formula. How cute is this packaging? What? Oh, it's written Gloss Me Up, and here it is, Hermosa Flow Cosmetics. So I got two lip glosses. The first one is called Fun Love. This is what it looks like, guys. It's kind of a different shade from this one, but not really. So this one is is a lip gloss. It's very, very pigmented, and I absolutely love this packaging. This is so cute. This is so... One is also the latest release, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what the name of this collection is called, unfortunately, but yeah, this is one of their lipsticks that I got. It's called Flame. Packaging, are you kidding me? This is so cute for me, guys. I love this so much. It's like it's giving you matte even on the outside, and even the packaging is written perfect matte lipstick. I love the matte lipsticks because you can wear them basically the whole day. They don't come off, and this is what it looks like. So you guys will probably see it on my lips very soon. And I love the gold detailing even on the lid. This is super cute, like I swear. Then the other thing that I got from them is this face palette. I'm very excited for this because I've never owned a face palette, and I find this super, super cute. Can you look at this packaging? The amount of work that they put into the packaging is crazy, like it's crazy. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like on the inside. How cute. Everything you need for your face, you get your contour, you get your highlight, and you get your blush all in one palette. How cute is this? This is really... The last thing that I got is the latest release. This is the Grace palette. If you know me, I'm a color person when it comes to eyeshadow, but because I own one of their nude palettes, I know that it's a really good investment to have. It also comes in a sleeve like this, and this is how it looks like. I love that it's gold here. Just gives me, you know, class. And then these are all the colors. I was swatching this the other day. I hope you guys can see that. I know it's a completely different hairstyle from that video. I lost footage from that video, but I actually wanted to show you the products on my face. I'm about to do a Valentine's look. So happy Valentine's to all the lovers out there. And if you're not dating, Valentine's is coming. I want a soft look. And I want an upgrade from that video. That you guys didn't even tell me that my eyebrows looked like that. You guys don't love me. You guys don't love me. What are you shooting? Someone can do so much plastic. Yeah, anyway, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something that is cute and pretty and soft. And yeah, you can follow this look maybe for your date. I know you guys are going on dates. So I'm gonna start off with this shade, this pretty pink, and I'm gonna use it as my transition shade. And if I'm not looking at the camera, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. So I'm just gonna... I'm just gonna use the same brush to blend it out because I hate fine lines on my eyes. White shade, the name is Tranquility. So I'm gonna use that. I didn't want to use white because after all it's Valentine's Day makeup, but I didn't want to use red. I didn't want to use red because you can not even be using red eyeshadow. Even pink works when it comes to Valentine. I think it sticks to the theme also. But I'm thinking of putting on a red lipstick. Just put some love. And I'm going to go back with this brush and dip into the pink a little bit, just to blend these parts in one, so it's a smooth transition. Doing my eyes afterwards because the eyeshadow generally doesn't fall off, so you won't see any product on my face. So that's why I didn't mind doing my eyes afterwards. With other eyeshadow palettes, you have to do your eyes first to avoid a disaster at the end. So I'm just a little more than concealer to do a mini like filter line, a mini glitter line on my eye. If you want the easy way out, you can buy a glitter eyeliner. It works perfect. That I always use to do my eyebrows. And I'm gonna create a line just on my crease. I'm not cutting my crease, but I do want a cute line over here, just for the zanza. Gonna put this shade, it's called Awakening. It's a shimmery shade. I prefer to put a shimmery shade on top of my concealer instead of glitter because it matches the color of my glitter. And this is the glitter that I'm gonna be using. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm about to do my other eye also, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the other products. So yeah, you guys, I'm done with both eyes, and this is how it looks. I'm about to use this other product that I was really excited about. I've never owned this type of palette before, but I'm right here to contour. I've been using it a lot, and I'm just gonna use it to bring out the shape of my face. Also with it, because I feel like the foundation made it look very light, especially on camera. This is a really convenient and easy product to carry because you're literally carrying 3 products in one palette. So you have highlight, you have contour, and you have blush all in the same palette, and it's very portable, so you can carry it wherever you go because it's not very big. And you can also use it as eyeshadow because it's very pigmented, so you can use it on your eyes in case maybe you forgot your eyeshadow at home or something. You can definitely use it as eyeshadow. I'm gonna mix both of them because I feel like they're both suitable for my skin. And then I'm gonna go in with this middle shade and this one as highlighter. I like mixing them because the mixture gives me the perfect combo. And I like to use the same brush because I like mixing all these 3 up. It makes sense. same shade that I use on my cheekbones. Get how the products look on my face. This is the face palette. This is what it looks like. They do have a collection now. It's out now. What they look like. And this is one of the lipsticks that I got on that day. It's called Baked. I obviously can't use everything that I got that day. I will be using this lippy as a liner because I do want to use a red lip. Moisturize your lips and then everything will be perfect. Anyway guys, that is the end of my video. I did add some gloss because I felt like my lips were so dry. I definitely didn't practice what I preached. I didn't moisturize my lips before putting on the lipstick, so I had to make a plan. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you the product and being very in detail with the details and whatever. I am in love with this look. It's giving Valentines, but it's giving simple, it's giving beauty, it's giving simplicity. I had to add on some earrings, you know, just to compliment and just to tie my hair a little bit and give you guys a cute little montage, you know what I'm saying? So you can definitely do this look. It's very easy. You can do it for date night and it looks stunning. You know, a red lip always adds a little bit of sexy to the equation, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm very happy if you've reached this part of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. It didn't even take that long to create, to be honest. Maybe it's because I was already done with the base, but yeah, it's really clean, it's really simple, and it's really easy to do. And yeah, I definitely used one palette. I used a few colors to create this look, but I think it's simple and cute. So without further ado, I hope you guys are content with my content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.